Happy Tuesday, everybody. Welcome to another installment of the Airstream Chronicles. Um, I am in sunny Lake Powell. I just looked down at my phone a few minutes ago at the storm app, and it says that it feels like it's 87 right now. I'm going to go ahead and agree with that. Just the other day when I was leaving Prescott, yesterday, I had my jeans on. It was still chilly in the morning. Not the case here at all. So, as promised, I'm playing around and testing some things this week. So, you've probably already seen some of the video from this morning. We went up to Cottonwood Canyon Road and we went up to a place called Hackberry Canyon. I wasn't going to mention names of locations in this video episode, but given the fact that there was actually 10 other vehicles at the trailhead for Hackberry Canyon, the secret's out. So it is one of my favorite places to go hiking in northern Arizona, actually southern Utah. Since we were on Utah time today, we crossed the Arizona border. And so my friends Jason and Derek are here as well, and you'll be seeing them in and out of the videos this week for sure. And so I took them into Hackberry Canyon. We had a great hike, an interesting time, a little rough start, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. And after Hackberry Canyon, we went over to the old Perea movie set, which was a lot of fun. I have to say, it's a really narrow, steep road down to the Perea movie set. There are areas where you can't have two cars pass each other. And halfway down this insane hill was a giant fifth wheel RV parked off to the side. How they got down there, I've got no idea. It was absolutely crazy. So I'm going to cross my fingers for them that they can get out. They looked like they were happily parked, but man, I would never pull the Airstream down that's for sure. Okay, so for the rough start of the morning, I will say when you're traveling to a place called Cottonwood Canyon Road, which I've been to a lot, but when you go somewhere named Cottonwood Canyon Road, there are probably cottonwoods. And when you have some severe allergies like I do, and one of them happens to be cottonwood, it could be a rough start to the morning. So I had a bit of a struggle first thing in the morning. Nothing that some additional Benadryl couldn't help, zoned me out a little bit, but it really helped a lot. For those of you who haven't been following along for a long time, I've got some severe allergies, and I've got this stupid thing called Hashimoto's thyroiditis. And my friends, when I was hiking today, I asked them to check my neck real quick, and I was a little inflamed. So probably not the best time of year for me to come up here, but you still have to get out, and you still have to find the fun when you can. All right, so one other thing on this video today, so you're probably seeing some strange things in my ears. These are the Apple Airpods. I love my Lave mic. I love the sound quality, and I'm testing out these Airpods. I started testing them just a couple of days before leaving. I don't know if I necessarily like the sound quality or not, and I will be editing the audio quality just to be sure for this video. But so part of this trip up is a lot of experimentation. So today, we're trying out the AirPods here. While we were in the canyon, I was also shooting with the iPhone 8 on an Osmo Mobile 2. So the Osmo worked pretty well. It feels a little cheap in quality at points, but nothing broke on it today. It did what I was asking it to do. Of course, I've got to look through the video to see how stable it is, and I'll be doing that later. We didn't get back until about 3 o'clock today. So, we left at 8 in the morning, some drive time, some hike time, some additional drive time, a little more hike time, and a little tired, to be honest. The temperatures are a huge difference from what we've been experiencing recently. So we're jumping right from winter to summer, it feels like. Like I said, my phone says it feels like it's 87 right now. So, all right, I'm going to go inside. I've got video to edit from yesterday, which was my super exhausted video. I was beat after the drive up here. I haven't even looked through the video and the still photography from today. Haven't even offloaded the drone video yet. So I've got to say to all of those travel vloggers out there and all the folks who are doing these daily updates and these daily vlogs, You guys are awesome. I don't know how you do it because we took up the whole morning and half of the afternoon going to locations, hiking, having a good time, getting the shots, and just getting back here. I made lunch slash dinner, offloaded some things, but haven't even offloaded other things, and haven't even looked at anything yet. So for all those folks who are out there doing all these amazing things throughout the day and then actually putting it all together and doing these daily vlogs, you are awesome. I don't think I can keep up with you, but I do think that we can put several out a week. And so that's what I'm looking to do. All right. So we'll wrap up some tech reviews probably tomorrow about what I think about the audio quality of these today. And these might not all get posted in time. We don't have great network here at Lake Powell. I'm not going to pull any punches. The Verizon LTE does not work well here, even though it says I've got 3 bars. And the park Wi-Fi, not great, not great at all. Well, I hope you enjoy the images and videos from our explorations today. And I'll be doing another one of these again tomorrow. So tomorrow I think we're headed over to Coyote Buttes and to Wire Pass. And I think we're going to have to do it early because it is hot.